Hello viewers, my name is Kevin and you're watching WPM Reviews. Today I am so excited to show you guys this Corsair K70 RGB rapid fire keyboard. This keyboard is simply amazing and you guys could just sit back, relax and enjoy our review. Welcome to the unboxing part of this review. This is the K70 RGB rapid fire keyboard, and in the front it's a pretty nice looking display of the keyboard. Advertises on the left side a durable aluminum frame, dynamic per key backlighting, and ultra fast mechanical key switches. Yeah, I can't wait to get my hands on those ultra fast key switches. They are the Cherry MX Speed key switches, and they have a faster activation time. And I'm very excited about having this keyboard and being able to test it. In the back is just very elaborate looking display of what each and everything does, and here's a nice overview of what the speed switch looks like. And let's open it up, shall we? Alright. Very excited about opening this box. There we go, sliding it out. Very standard plain cardboard box inside. Oh yeah. It's the keyboard. It has a mesh wiring to combat the wire entanglement. It's a very thick and nice, very nice feeling. Oh. Here's a better angle of the box and the contents and the keyboard. Mesh wiring, and the USB connectors are very fancy looking. They're customized by Corsair. Don't see this on very many keyboards. This is a nice touch. Take off the wrapping. Here's a view of the keyboard without the wrapping. Keys sound very nice. There is no clicking sound, which is perfect for office environment where you could type pretty fast with these keys. And I do like how they feel right now. They activate a lot faster. There's a less travel time to the bottom. Can't wait to see my typing speed. Gotta try these out soon. And here's the rest of the contents of the box. These are keycap replacements for W, Q, E, F, R, and D. W, S, A, D. They add a texture to the keycaps. The keycaps on the keyboard as of now are the standard smooth keycaps. So I guess these are pretty ideal for gaming, so you know which keys you're pressing. And here's a pretty standard keycap puller. Here's the instruction manual. Pretty standard with your warranty. What else is there? Aha! And here is the wrist rest. This is pretty awesome, and I can't wait to try it. The Corsair K70 keyboard is a very standard 108 key keyboard. This layout is nice and normal with nothing out of the ordinary. However, Corsair does provide some custom functionality on the top right corner of this keyboard. There is a brightness control with 4 different brightness levels, off included. There is a Windows lock that locks up the Windows key to prevent you from accidentally triggering it while typing or gaming. However, from my experience, I accidentally hit the Option key more while typing with this keyboard than any other, although it is in a standard location. I still don't know why. It would be nice to have this key locked as well. There's a row of media controls right above the numpad key. And also, one of the coolest features of this keyboard is the volume slider. The volume slider is a wheel that slides up or down continuously, and it's wonderful to quickly adjusting volume controls while you're listening to music or gaming. Although Corsair advertises an aluminum frame, only the face plate of this keyboard is actually made from aluminum. The bottom of this keyboard is made out of plastic and doesn't feel quite as solid. Overall, this keyboard is pretty sturdy. There is one single convenience USB port in the back of the keyboard, along with a hardware compatibility toggle. This toggle, from my understanding, is for older hardware versions and operating system compatibility. There are 5 slots: 1, 2, 4, 8, and BIOS. The BIOS setting is if the keyboard is not detected on boot. I leave mine on number 1 on Windows 10 and it works wonderfully. This is the Corsair Gaming PC application that Corsair uses for managing all of the Corsair gaming lineup in a single place. You can create and switch between saved profiles quickly without reconfiguring things each time for different users. All of the connected products are listed on the top. However, the only Corsair hardware that's connected right now is the K70 keyboard. The order changes, so this isn't always on the left. The other slots are currently being used for advertising other products. Upon clicking on the K70 RGB rectifier, I am presented with a menu of Actions, Lighting Effects, and Performance. Action allows me to create new actions and map it to each individual key. Actions include macros, key remapping, controlling media, or launching other applications. I can create a new action by hitting the plus icon and click on a key like this to assign it. The lighting section lets me control each individual key's backlight without either presets or my own definitions. We have spiral rainbow, rainbow wave, visor, rain. All these are pretty standard in keyboards with RGB lighting. It can also change the lighting based on music or microphone input. In order to set different static colors for multiple subset of keys, we need to add multiple lighting effects and select the keys each one would apply to. For example, I have one color right here. I could pick blue and assign it just to the HJKL keys by dragging and highlighting the keys. I could also hold Control and click on each key individually. Then when I want to add another color, I would just add a new color by hitting the plus icon, selecting static color again, and then just assigning the keys that this color applies to. You could do this however many times you want. It has a nice customization to your keyboard. Under Performance, there are various tweaks that can be applied to the keyboard. There's extra configuration for the Windows lock key. You could tell it to disable Alt tab, disable Alt F4, disable Shift tab. It's all for convenience purposes during gaming or any other applications where you might accidentally exit out of the game in crucial moments. You can also change the lighting of all the other backlit buttons on the keyboard. That means that this application lets you control all of the lights that are on your keyboard individually. That is awesome. Overall, this app is very solid and easy to use. Alright, so I just had a few practice rounds, and let's see what this keyboard can really do. Wow, 153. That is awesome. This keyboard is awesome. In summary, this is an amazing keyboard. It is my personal favorite keyboard in terms of utility, and the potential typing speed is just out of this world. Before I end this review, I would like to introduce a new rating system, the Keyboard Defense Rating System. I give this keyboard a measly 3 out of 10 because, you know, it's not very heavy, it's not very sturdy, it's mostly made out of plastic, and it just doesn't feel right just swinging this around. So please remember to subscribe down below and follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you next time.